150 police officers enters Sadhguru Isha Foundation after Madras High Court's order on two sisters staying there. Petition was filed by Dr. S. Kamaraj, the father of two women, claiming his daughters have been held captive at Isha Foundation. Court has sought report on all criminal cases against the foundation as well. So wise and spiritual space like Isha Yoga Center, such an inquiry has been done by hundreds of policemen entering the ashram directed by Honorable Madras High Court. Let's first look at what is the case about. Please watch the video till the end to understand what this matter is about. And do comment your opinion on this after watching the full video. In Honorable Madras High Court, a petition was filed by retired Professor Dr. S. Kamaraj, claiming that his two daughters were being held captive at Isha Foundation in Coimbatore. He alleged that the organization was brainwashing individuals, converting them into monks and restricting their contact with their families. Further, the court questioned the contradiction in the life of Sadhguru, the founder of Isha Foundation. Court asked why Sadhguru, who has his own daughter married, was encouraging other young women to shave their heads, renounce worldly life and live as hermits at Isha Yoga Center. In response to the petitioner, who said his two daughters were being held against their will at the organization's Yoga Center in Coimbatore, both women who were present in the court submitted that they were staying at center of their own will. Yes, they said they were staying at Isha Yoga Center by their own choice and denied any form of compulsion or detention. Although Dr. Kamaraj's daughter insisted that they stayed in Isha as volunteers, Justice of Honorable High Courts were not entirely convinced by this and ordered a probe into this. The counsel representing Isha Foundation said in defense that adults have the right to make their own decisions about their lives, including the choice to embrace a spiritual path. He argued that the court's inquiry into such personal decisions were unnecessary, as the women were clearly acting on their own free will. Despite the daughter's statements and the defense put forth by Isha Foundation, the court took the matter a step further and directed public prosecutor to submit a comprehensive status report by October 4th. And as per court's direction, the search operation by the police has been conducted, headed by Superintendent of Police. A senior police officer said the operation is focusing on verification of inmates and the search of rooms at the Isha Foundation. Currently, the ashram is hounded with hundreds of policemen asking all kinds of interrogation to the residents, monks, and all the people living in the yoga center, including the Samskriti children. Now let's have a bit of fact check on these allegations about Isha Foundation. When the referred to monks have given their statement as to their choice of spiritual life, on what basis do they still doubt their decisions? The bench has already dismissed a case filed in 2016 on this matter earlier. So why is this again been taken up? Every adult is free to choose what he or she wants in life, be it marriage or monkhood. No one can influence their choice, including their own parents. There are over 3,000 to 4,000 people who are a part-time or a full-time volunteers at Isha Yoga Center, and they are not monks. There are more than 11 million people over the world who have done an engineering course and got initiated into Shambhavi and are volunteers too. They are not all monks. As an adult, Sadhguru's daughter is free to choose to become a family woman as much as any person who wants to take monkhood. How is even she involved as a reference? Well, it is not that Sadhguru or Isha Foundation is against marriages. In ashram, many couples have chosen to get married through Bhut Shuddhi Viva at Ling Bhairavi temple in the ashram, while many have chosen monkhood as their spiritual path. So it's an individual choice which path they want to choose. I would like to share a new fact about Ramakrishna Paramahansa. He was married, but his Ramakrishna mission is full of sannyasi monks, and they are doing a great work for well-being of millions of people and enhancing spiritual growth to the world. So it is clearly an individual choice if you want to opt for a monkhood or otherwise. Similarly, Sadhguru also supports personal spiritual growth and meaningful partnerships by marriage. And has said numerous times that choosing marriage or monkhood is always a personal choice. As a responsible citizen, it is important for us to know the both sides of the story. Isha Foundation has always maintained its mission of promoting spiritual growth, and countless individuals have voluntarily chosen this path. We respect Honorable High Court's decision, and I am sure report that will be submitted after investigation will be in favor of Isha Foundation. Please do mention your thoughts and opinion on this in the comment section. Namaskar. Namaskar.